Statehood Demand Committee held a press conference regarding the issue and upcoming election with other activities at the residence of Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Honorable Aghore Debbarma at Suparibagan Krishnanagar Agartala on Tuesday. After giving an opinion about the alliance between Tripura Motha and BJP on the past few days ago, once again Statehood Demand Committee called for a press conference on Tuesday at the residence of Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Honorable Aghore Debbarma at Suparibagan Krishnanagar regarding their issue and upcoming election with other activities. Speaking in the conference, firstly, Japu Debbarma, convener of Statehood Demand Committee, said that on the last 6th of March, a meeting was held with the Federation for New State Committee at Delhi. Statehood Demand Committee convener Japu Debbarma said that on that meeting, he himself attended as a state convener of Statehood Demand Committee. He further added that on this day, it was discussed about what demands to keep in front of the government for the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
Thangnai 6 March, Delhi Chini Federation for New State by Kogzak Kaisha Panda Subzaka Apando Tripura Hastin Ingi Angnizi Baitang Aro Chini Committee Ningigo Manzakika meeting Asukmani Naharmunka Painai Song Mario Lok Sabani Song Mario Je Katal Haste Sanai Singhai Zati Chikon Tongnai Buni Dofa Kotorobai Saknangya Kognangya Kajaki Tongnai Joto Milui seminar asulaimani meeting asulaimani aro kok salaijakka je chongmario जों chini manthai nahna bagai bahai khlai fight khlainai bahai kai chongmarino जों batailainai ka jago kok salaijakka जों phani chongmario je katal haste sani tongnero jotto mili lai alliance namlai lok sabani chongmario batailainani bagai adino wansungti asuklaimani ke abono tuino adino kok lamung laikha Ketekasya adino don nani program tomani kai program kak abo Delhi police ni hote permission dinai khairi zaman bagai don na program tomang kai soiterigo duita program tomani kaisa don na abo cancel khlaija ka ke jeta meeting Federation for New State bkhakti jeta election based khlai jeta asuk jamani abo simina asuk jaka garlogo je sidanto na hajapuni amo haino jeta जों Federation for New State ni engai All India ni joto je kerengjak organization me kerengjak tongmani joto state ni je जोंहाय संगठन tongnerok jotono janjani state to candidate lainani bagai jete nijini manthai bagai fight khlaimanan bagai Lok Sabha thangai aboni bagai kok rilaikha jeta janjani candidate jari jan mantui rilainani bagai kahakino sini Tripura hasteni bo Bosung sini duita Lok Sabha ni seat dong aro sini committee ni bkhaktai जों candidate rinai ni wansugoi जों aro kok salai phaileka.
Later speaking in the press conference, Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Aghore Debbarma said that the accord signed between the state government and the central government seems like throwing a dust in the eyes of the Tripura people, as it is said in written that no movement can proceed till 6 months. Likewise, during the press conference, he was also questioned by the media regarding the implementation of the CAA in the country. He expressed his views saying that this is not beneficial for the state. Likewise, when asked if CAA will affect the 6 scheduled areas of the state or not, he replied that CAA will obviously affect those areas too. He said that even if the non-citizen of the state cannot enter in the 6th scheduled area, but they will enter at the general area, and which will obviously affect the tribal areas.
जोंजे ताबो जे थांनाय मार्चनि 2 तारिख कायसा दिल्लीआव अमित शाहनि नेतृत्वे जे कायसा अरो चुक्ति ओंखारनि माने आरो गोबांमा जे चुक्ति खायफानेराव आबनो कायसा भुल बेखार लाई दंलायजा माने अबनो Greater Tripura land ni selain tem kotor ni, apa yang kai saya tunggu kan. Angoro kaisa aro de tini Bangla be kaisa sija, abo kaisa sija aro tunggu. Somosto stok ulda ra sakore din theki shuru kore ei somoye moddhe je kono dhorone andolon bikkhop kora theki biroto thakben. Only meaning Tamil. oboba Chini movement no bukubai kapai da kai remak laika orbo nor o 6 month of kono kaimiya abono ang Chini dotto Tripura ni dotto Chini muksa ebong muksa ya nong thani kaisa ang saklai na musungo omo hai kai chung mokolo hachingsa ba haduli satang mani abo Chini bagai kamde na hamia ang wansuku hamia no ka kaham kai nuria omni bagai tini ang obono satagya ngka Chini statehood demand committee ni sie mane to phatani boro no ikor nani citizenship ba permanent resident abo to Chini bagai mane soliki mat laika chno sara Tripura ni Chini Tripura no buthai bu buthai mat laika karon tap tai phainai agi de phaibe to phai tongo tap khai wa chno bro bathroom bari hapainai bathroom bari no chitongai sorkari joto medi akoro mechanism bro bro na chitogui jeng paisu bithanai orbo ngjakta ang effect lang kai ang tang kaisa example soilengta 60 din gonda sara 60 din nutun bazar 60 din nutun bazar malbasa 60 din ebong bisi mono 60 din ba kantonpur 60 din abuni tai go agana gini 60 din birasi mai 60 din aro bor habi thangkai aro ki effect lagi ba effect nai bole automatically nan kasimia effect nai ebong sabo permanent resident ba ada isu khai SDM in control da nini edition control da asa sunga edition control ya mane no obo ban bai te thangka ban bai sui nini koro tam ke mu tagadoro ka habli ata abuni bordan to konda sara habi ne ble ar morta ambasa kina hamnai ble mungkin tam ngai la effect mane nini ko busago cancer ya phano yak ngo puya cancer chen khata je cancer abo tai nu bitiri hamni malia obo oma cancer se ko ru biti cancer se upri ru.
Likewise, Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Aghore Debbarma also said that Tripura has no other option other than to demand for statehood. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.